I'm good.
Good. Who's Ryan Freeman?
It's it's my boyfriend. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I
Just
I
kidding.
was trying to get onto my Chromebook and it wouldn't turn on and the power wasn't working, so I panicked, so I grabbed his computer and I'm on here on his. So
No worries at all. Go ahead and share your screen.
let me sign into my
Okay.
thing real quick. Uh shoot. Okay. Um so much to do. Okay. Um Where's my login? Um, I
No.
need, because I usually, if I do use his computer for homework, I usually open it on Safari, so I got to figure out what my sign in is.
Oh, okay. No worries. Take your time.
So I can put it on Google. All right. Let me. And then go here. Next. Password. See all. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Text. 20076. Enter. Don't trust again. Yes. Meet once. Apps. All apps. Cover. All right. And here we are. Okay. Alrighty. Share this one. Share. Got it. Okay.
Okay. I haven't seen this one. Okay, let's see. Human activity causes pollution that can affect. Okay. Yeah, we know that. Okay. Okay. How pollutants can change a property of water. Okay. Go ahead and hit start. Move the jar. Okay. So we're going to fill up the jar with lake water. Disgusting. Don't ever drink lake water. Without move the jar to fill them with water. Both of them. Okay. 2 samples. All right. 600 milliliters each. I don't know if that matters. Place the label. Oh, okay. Label 1. Label 2. Okay. Almost all liquids can be classified as acids or bases. Okay. Okay. So something like, do you understand the pH scale?
Sort of.
Kind of. Okay. Basically, like a lemon is well. Oh, there it is. Lemon juice. Okay, is pretty acidic. That's why it's good. Like if you have that mineral stuff on your your faucets and stuff, you can use lemon juice to dissolve that. Battery acid is a 0. It is really bad. That would cause harm. Going the other way, you get things that are base. So bases, things that are not acidic. And things that are bases, Emily, feel kind of slimy. Like do you use bar soap at all?
Yeah.
Okay, so bar soap, if you ever got bleach on your hands, it feels kind of slimy. And that's what bases, as far as feeling. But okay, so that's what that is. Let's see. These liquids differ in the, oh no, go back for a minute, in the number of hydrogen ions they contain. Okay. Acid has a pH less than 7. Pure water is neutral. So 7 is neutral. Base is greater than 7. Okay. When these liquids pollute, the water becomes acidic or basic. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we can go on. Okay. Place a pH meter. So we're going to test for the pH. Okay, so things that live in fresh water, not salt water, we're dealing with fresh water here because that was from a lake. they require a pH between 6.5 and 9. Anything outside those bounds, they're not going to do well, or they're going to die.
Okay, so that is
6.5 to 9. Yeah. So not the water cannot be very acidic at all for them.
Okay.
Add pollutants by pressing the plus button, and then to remove all use the clear. Okay. Is just telling you what to do? Are we just supposed to add?
Let me hold on. I have the student guide pulled up, so
pesticides, citric acid.
Okay, so I think I just add each thing and see what the pH is.
Okay, so go ahead, just click on citric acid. So they're showing you a lemon there. It's going to make it more acidic. It's going to take the pH up. So, like, how many times, you just click on it once? Is that all you're supposed to do? Add or if you, okay, go ahead and move your little tool over there, testing tool, and let's see, it's going to increase the, what does it say? pH equals 3.2. Yeah, made it really acidic. Okay. Do we want to?
Does it really?
Do they want you to unpollute it with that?
So I think that's what I'm confused about. Is like it doesn't really tell me what to add to it.
Exactly. Yeah, that is unclear. Okay, go ahead. Just clear that out and hit the next button. Let's see what. Well, wait. Let's go through that without adding. Okay, if I add soap, I know that's a base, so that is going to turn the water more basic. It's going to increase the pH. Alkaline is a base. So if I throw batteries in the water and they disintegrate, that's not good either. That's going to turn it basic. Baking soda is a base. Lead acid batteries is acidic. Pesticide. It looks like the top 3 are bases and the bottom 3 are acids. I'm not sure about. Okay, let's go on. Let's just move on and see what it's asking. Okay. Click done, or can you just go forward? Or
it won't. I don't know.
Okay,
maybe.
Let's add alkaline batteries. Click on alkaline batteries. Now move your tool over. Oh yeah. Okay, so yep. See, it got a lot more basic. Continue. Go ahead and click continue. There we go. Place the paper filter. Okay, we're gonna do some filtration stuff. Okay. Place the label on the beaker. So move the 3 over to the beaker. And then we're going to put the contents of beaker 2 to remove the pollutants. Okay. Compare the pH of the lake water and record the pH. Okay, go ahead and move the pH meter over there. It should be around 7. Okay. And that one is 3. Okay, so we added, it became more basic.
Yeah.
Okay. So record the pH. We're doing it here, so you don't have to record anything.
I was just because I looked over the student guide like before this, and it just like the reason I was confused is because it didn't really tell me what to put in and what how much to put in and what exactly to do. Right. I was like, right. I need some help.
I understand. Okay. I'll go to the next one. Okay. How does human activity affect surface water? Okay. Surface water is literally what it is. So like a lake, it sits on the surface. They're not talking about groundwater, which is underneath the ground. I mean, that's what it is in the name. How does the groundwater get polluted when it's beneath Earth's surface? Well, that's because pollutants filter through the ground. Remember, you just put the filter in the little beaker?
Yeah.
So it's kind of an example of what actually happens in reality. So as water from the surface trickles down, like when your yard floods and it goes underground, where's Earth's giant filter? Underground. I think is what they want. Click on explore. Let's see what happens. Okay. Move the clouds to the model. Okay. And the rainwater is going to record. Oh, see, it's filling up underground. So that's called recharging. When those underground aquifer, any water that's trapped between bedrock, between solid rock, is called an aquifer. And so when we talk about drilling and pulling out groundwater, that's where that is coming from. It's coming from those aquifers.
Okay.
Okay. So that's that's a model of what's going on underground. Okay. At a lake. All right, let's make a lake there. Whoop. Okay. So you've got river water, looks like flowing into a lake. What happened to the, I wasn't even paying attention to the groundwater.
It was just like leaking in through its little.
Oh, yeah, leaks down to the aquifer. Okay. Add pollutants. I don't want to put, okay. So I don't know. Let's click on whatever you want. Soap. Let's add soap.
I'm just going to do one of each.
All right. Continue. Rain clouds. Move the rain clouds over. It's going to rain. All right. We added all those things.
Oh, yeah, and you can kind of see it polluting the groundwater.
Yeah. Man, that is hard to see. Let me make my screen lighter. Holy
It is very hard to see.
Wow.
It's very
but you're right. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
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 Yeah, so it's just polluting the groundwater.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Excellent.
All right.
Now make sure you're ready for the post-lab reflection.
Okay.
Did you record all data throughout the virtual lab experiment?
Yeah. Click yes. We mentally recorded it.
Yeah.
Now that you've recorded all the data throughout the virtual lab, you're ready for the follow-up assignment in which you'll reflect on the experiment you just did.
Thank you.
Okay. So you know what's going on now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was just I'm good with like figuring out what's going on in the lab, but it's the questions on the like student guide that really confused me.
Right. And I understand that. So I'm glad you asked for help. I enjoyed this. It was fun seeing you again. And I think you're going to finish today. So
yes, I'm going to get the virtual lab done. And if I don't get the topic test and final exam done today, it'll probably be like tomorrow or before Monday, definitely.
Okay, perfect. All right, let me know if you need help again.
All right, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Oof.